Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. And today I'm gonna be here. We make videos on topics that might be useful to you in one way or the other. And today we're gonna be talking about on how you can add friends without adding that $5 to your Steam account. Now, there's no way you can bypass that system if it's you that's trying to send a friend request without putting that $5 in. But if it's someone else, well, I mean, you can add friends on Steam. That's the bottom line. So how do you do that? For example, I don't really have an account that's this is gonna be tough, but anyways, I'm just gonna show you in the most basic way possible. So over here, if I go to friends, right, it's gonna show a lot of people, and then I can go to add a friend. Now this has to be done by the person that has $5 in their account. So what you're gonna do is you send your ID, your friend code, to the other person, right? And then if that other person has to have that active Steam account, and once their Steam account is active, they can just add you, and then you can add them back from your account. But if you want to add someone and you don't have $5 loaded in your account, there is no way you can add someone. So the only way to bypass it is by having the other person send you the friend request so that you guys can be friends. But other than that, there's really no other way. And if you activate a Steam product that does not really add the $5 to your account, that just adds the game. So if you really want to activate your Steam, you need to add that $5 via, you know, view my wallet, and then from there you have to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, or you can just press on add funds, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.